All right, in this video, I want to talk about the changes that are happening in the Bitcoin market and all the companies, the exchanges, and the different platforms and programs that are going through all kinds of volatility because of the changes in price in Bitcoin. You may have seen my previous video where I talk about the choice between investing in cryptocurrency itself or investing in companies that will benefit from cryptocurrency. In that video, I talk about my reasons for investing in Coinbase, and I know there are so many other programs out there, other brokerages, other platforms, and this week is an example of why I don't invest in those. You see, you might look at Coinbase and say, well, that's kind of a boring, very tame cryptocurrency platform. It is the leading American cryptocurrency exchange. It has the most volume, the most customers. It's got a long history, and it only offers a small bonus of $10 if you sign up to trade cryptocurrency on their platform. So you may be wondering, why do I use and invest in Coinbase instead of some of these others? This week, you may be hearing names like Babel Finance and Three Arrows and Terra Luna and UST and Celsius. There are all kinds of examples of companies and platforms that are under siege. They're under fire. They're under pressure. All these companies and platforms and programs that are possibly freezing your assets. They're not sure how long they're going to freeze your assets. Maybe they're changing their programs. They're adjusting their payouts. Let me share with you, if you don't understand why this is happening. You see, these companies and platforms come up with a program that works just fine as long as all the cryptocurrency keeps going up. Whatever crypto they're using, whatever crypto they're paying you to stake, as long as all those things keep moving up and the general market has inflows of money, everything works just fine. And they're able to pay you an 8% stake or a 10% or 12%, 15% stake. Think about it. Is this a sustainable business model? When the price of cryptocurrency stays flat, when it plateaus, those companies suddenly become under pressure. They don't crash immediately. But when the price of Bitcoin drops, when people start selling and removing their capital from the whole system that's going up and up and up, what happens? Suddenly they can't afford to pay you 8, 10, 12, 15% to just hold your cryptocurrency in their account. Think about it. How ridiculous is that? Think about how ridiculous that idea is in the first place. I've thought about making this video for a while, but I don't want to slam one particular company or one platform or one brokerage. And so I was trying to only, whenever I talk about Coinbase, just talk about how sustainable their business is, paying simply a $10 bonus if you sign up with an account with them. But let me ask you, if I have two different banks and I'm considering opening a bank account, a savings account, and so I'm comparing their options for a savings account, and the first bank offers me, oh, you get a small one-time bonus if you sign up and deposit some money in our account. And the other one says, Jeff, we're going to pay you exorbitant interest rates. In this case, we're going to offer you 12% per year on the money in your savings account as long as you lock it in for 3 months at a time or a year at a time or whatever. And if you want your money back before then, you can have it. We just won't pay you any interest. But if you lock it in 12, 15, 20%, now how would you feel about that? It sounds fishy, but at the end of the day, our banks are FDIC insured. And as long as that bank is offering me an account that's FDIC insured, I'm signing up. Sure, I'll be happy to take your crazy interest while the other account is offering me 0.0001. But that's the difference. These cryptocurrency platforms are not FDIC insured. These brokerages that are offering to pay you a ridiculous amount for the life of your deposit or the life of your account, it's just not sustainable. It has to stop. And when everything comes crashing down, I hope that you get your money out in time. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.